Hi, this is Casey Atkinson from Willie Driving School here in Logan, Utah. I'm going to tell you a bit about how to fill out an application for a driver's license. They're going to need to know everything about you, basically. Name, phone number, address, where you were born, when you were born. Let's see, what else? Proof of residency. That's official letters sent to you at your home address. Also, a social security card, birth certificate. Basically everything you have that says who you are, take it with you just in case. When you sign this, you need to know what type of license you're applying for. Trucker's license or just a normal driving car and vans, things like that. They'll also ask you on the form if you want to be an organ donor or not. Do you need glasses or contact lenses? Do you have any special mental or medical or physical conditions that may affect your driving? Those are just a few of the questions they'll ask, and good luck filling it out.